Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to show you how to change the filter and do a review on this LEVOIT HEPA filter. So if your red light is on your filter, that means it's time to change the filter. So here we have the filter. First thing we want to do is we want to take this plastic off. And again, this is for the Core 300. Now we can see in here there's like a little seal. Looks like there's some carbon down in there. And there's the HEPA filter. Now it does have a screen on the outside, so you might be able to wipe yours off and get a little bit more use out of it, but eventually you will have to replace it. Okay, so first let's turn it off, unplug it, flip it over, and then you're going to turn this counterclockwise. It's kind of locked into place, but turn it. Ooh, we need to get a vacuum. Okay, so it's best probably to have a vacuum ready. Now pull this out. This is extremely dirty. Wow. Has this thing done a good job? But I like that the fan is not dirty, but the filter is. Now I probably could wipe that off, maybe get a little bit more use out of it. I'm not gonna. So again, that is that outer screen. So you could see the filter was starting to get clogged. There is this outer screen, but even inside there, it's starting to get dirty. So again, you could get a little bit more use out of it just by cleaning this outside screen, but eventually you are going to have to replace it. Here's what the new one looks like. Yeah, you can see the inside there, it is getting dirty. And you can hear that carbon in there. Now, I went ahead and vacuumed out. There was some stuff in there since I turned it upside down, and I vacuumed off the outside vents here also. Now we're going to take this, there's that seal, flip it over. Again, the plastic's off. It just sits there. We don't turn this or anything. This is what we're going to, I need to clean this a little bit too. Okay, now we're going to take this. You just simply turn it on there and it's going to click into place there until it doesn't turn. Okay, got it all cleaned off. Let's turn it on. Now we got to reset this filter. We're going to press and hold it. There, the light went out. Now we're ready to go. I do like this little air filter. It's mainly meant for a room, but it did a good job, as you can see from that filter. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.